Well, howdy, y'all. Ever feel like your property tax bill was pulled out of a cowboy hat? Like suddenly your two-bedroom fixer-upper is worth more than a downtown condo? You're not imagining things. Texas property appraisals are skyrocketing. But here's the good news, you don't have to just accept it. The Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts advises that every property owner has the right to protest their property taxes, potentially allowing them to lower their tax bill. Today, I'll show you exactly how to protest and appeal your property tax appraisal. Step by step, simple, and maybe even kind of fun. Let's get into it. So first off, how do they even come up with this number? Every year, your county's appraisal district decides what your home is worth. That's called your market value, basically what your home could sell for on the open market. But if you live in your home as your primary residence and have a homestead exemption, there's something called an appraised or capped value, what your taxes are actually based on. Even if your market value shoots up, your appraised value can increase more than 10% per year, plus the value of any new improvements. That's the cap. It's meant to protect homeowners from crazy jumps in taxes year over year. But if the cap hasn't caught up to the market yet, brace yourself because future increases are coming. All right, here's where things get real. You usually have until May 15th or 30 days after you get your notice of appraised value to file a protest. You can do it online, by mail, or in person. I always say online is the way to go. It's so much easier. Even after you protest, your tax bill isn't final. Why? Because tax rates get proposed and adopted by local officials in August and September. So while appraisals hit in the spring, the final bill gets set in the fall. Some Texas appraisal review boards, like Tarrant County, elected to freeze residential values for 1 year unless there have been home improvements, although you still have a right to protest. Because the appraisers use an algorithm to value property, many real estate and tax professionals suggest that property owners protest their valuations annually, because even an informal discussion with an appraiser can save money. Land is more difficult to protest than residences. To win your protest, you need evidence. Take photos showing damage or repairs needed, so be prepared to provide quotes of major repairs for your home, like the HVAC system, foundation, roof, and windows, because appraisers have no way to know about the needed repairs. Look for recent sales of similar homes nearby to prove your point about your price. Be sure to take anything that says, "Hey, my house isn't worth what y'all think it is." Zillow, Redfin, or your county site are great for pulling comps. And yeah, you can hire a realtor or property tax consultant to help, but this can absolutely be a DIY job. After you file, you might get an informal hearing, just you and an appraiser chatting. Show your evidence, keep it calm, and make your case. If that doesn't work, you go to a formal hearing with the Appraisal Review Board. No need to be Perry Mason here. Just stick to the facts. Once it's done, they'll send you the result. If they agree with you, then great news, lower taxes. If not, you can still appeal to the Appraisal Review Board again. Take it to the State Office of Administrative Hearings or even District Court. But most folks don't need to. Bottom line, your appraisal isn't the final word. You can fight it, and you might save big. The Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts Property Tax Assistance Division provides a detailed step-by-step homeowner's guide titled How to Present Your Case at an Appraisal Review Board Hearing. I'll leave a link below so you can download the guide. If this helped, hit like and share it with your neighbors. They're probably looking for more information too. And subscribe for more Texas homeowner tips, DIY hacks, and maybe a few laughs at the county's expense. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.